Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's having an amazing day so far. Today we're going to be talking about low cap altcoin which has the potential of 100x, and the one we're going to be talking about today is called Drip Network. Now the reason this token stands out to me quite a bit compared to most of the tokens we have reviewed in the past is because this one actually has already created its own swap, so you do not have to go through PancakeSwap to actually purchase this token, and you will be able to stack it with their own network. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time and you don't want to stay up to date with everything to do with cryptocurrencies, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video to help yourself and me, as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people. More people will see the positive side of Drip Network. They decide to join the community, decide to buy the token, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profits. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Let's go for 238 likes. If we do that, that would be incredible. First of all, if we just look at the design of the website, it's pretty cool because if you actually move your mouse, you will see like a water ripple effect, and I think the ripple effect looks pretty cool. Drip Network is the latest project developed by the Forex Shark, BB, and the team. The official token of Drip Network is Drip on the BSCSHIBA blockchain that captures value by being scarce, deflationary, censorship resistant, and by being built on a robust, truly decentralized blockchain. You guys know most of the projects which are built on BSCSHIBA chain, I personally prefer them over the Ethereum because the Ethereum just has too much gas fee and it just costs us way too much. The recommended exchange for trading Drip is the Fountain contract, which can be found directly on the platform website under the swap tab, as it allows us to waive the initial 10% tax on buys and provides the lowest prices and the highest liquidity, resulting in less slippage for larger trades. So overall, what that means is whenever you are trying to purchase, you will be able to purchase with 3% slippage compared to most of the tokens which are close to 12%, so you will be saving a lot of money and at the same time getting yourself a lot more Drip Network if you decide to buy it. Now if we make our way to swap, you guys can see it's pretty similar to PancakeSwap, but it just looks different as the layout is different, but you will be able to buy the Drip Network or the Drip token directly from the site, so there will be no third-party connection, no extra fee. If you do want to purchase Drip token, you simply just need to connect your wallet on the top right. When you do connect it, it will give you an option of MetaMask. You just need to go ahead and log into your MetaMask wallet. It will connect to the network, and once it's connected, you guys can go ahead and change your smart BNB into Drip, and then you will be able to sell it through the site as well. You guys can see at the moment the slippage is close to 3%, which isn't very high when you think about most of the tokens being like 12%, and some of the ones which I personally purchased have been like 25%, which is just extreme. Now when you do decide to actually sell this token, you will be charged 10% tax fee, and this tax fee will be distributed to everyone that is holding on to this token. When a user makes a transaction, 10% also feeds the Drip contract that pays out the divs, so it's not inflating the token supply. However, if the 10% is not good enough to pay out everyone, the contract will be triggered to mint and pay out what is owned, so there is no impermanent loss. Now talking about another thing that the Drip Network has is once you guys have purchased yourself some Drip coin, you will be able to go ahead and stack it on their network as well, and it will be giving you 1% return every single day. So overall that would be close to 400%, or to be exact, that would be 365% return every single year, and that might actually go up over time. This is just the initial start of the token. I mean, I haven't heard of a bank that gives you over 1% in a year, and this token is giving you 1% every single day. That is great, and at the same time it is being taken care of. The same network is doing everything, so there will be no third-party fee, and you guys will be saving so much money in all the transactions. By the way, when you do try to deposit into it and you do try to hibernate your token, that will also charge you another 10% fee to actually put it back into the token and actually make it that so the token is more reliable and at the same time more stable. Another thing you guys need to know is the price of this token is close to $6 per token, and also the price is actually very stable. What I mean by that is the price has had a gradual growth rather than just a spike up, spike down, spike up like the meme coins in this one. They have worked on the site, made sure that the whole of the token is reliable and everyone is taken care of. At the same time, I do want to mention the site is still under construction, so it will be becoming a lot better very soon. Talking about overall in general how this token is going, they already have $2.3 million locked away at the moment. So if you guys do want to lock some coin away to receive 1% return, that would be a great idea, as 2.3 million is already being held by this company to make sure that it gives them a good return to the holders. Now if you just read their about page, you guys can see they have put in pretty much all the details that you would want to know. Player can participate by purchasing drip from platform swap page, joining another player's team. Now the Telegram group is actually pretty big compared to the size of the token and how new it is. They already have 2,000 members in the Telegram, so if you do want to join the Telegram, I recommend you do so if you are going to be purchasing drip token, as you will be able to talk to other people who have similar ideas and also talk to them about anything that you do not understand. Another thing that I want to say is the best strategy for drip is to focus on real world adaptation by building out your team through direct referrals. So if you do decide to give someone your referral code and they decide to purchase drip through your code, you will be receiving a small percentage of what they actually go ahead and purchase. Personally, if I do have to make up my mind about this token, I would be actually very excited to invest in it, just due to the fact I would hold long term and try to get the interest that they are receiving or giving out as you go ahead and invest the money and lock it away. Now overall, is it a dump and a pump? Not at all. By the way, most of the time the problem a lot of people have is when you purchase from these kind of sites, can you actually withdraw that token, such as, you know, Drip Network? Will I be able to go ahead and take the tokens out and put it on another wallet? And that is possible 100%. You will be on MetaMask, so you will be able to go ahead and transfer it wherever you want. You just need to make sure that the wallet that you're transferring to is accepting Drip Network, so it could be Trust Wallet, whichever wallet that you personally want to use. Overall, what do I feel about this token? It's a good long-term hold, not something that you would want to just jump into and then just walk out, because if you decide to trade it, it will actually go ahead and cost you even more to be able to purchase this token. Other than that, that's about it. Hope you guys did enjoy today's video. What do I think about this network? As I said, it's a good long-term hold, not something that you would want to just purchase as soon as the price goes up, start dumping it. Other than that, it would be a great thing to hold for a long term, as the compound that builds up will be giving you more. As you get some from them, you can just go ahead and put it back into the compound and you will be receiving a bigger amount. It's just like a snowball effect. You roll it down a hill and it gets bigger and bigger over time. So it's a good long-term investment compared to leaving your money in the bank. With out of the way, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, make sure you guys go and slap a like on it. If you're new to the channel and you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Drip token or just everything about cryptocurrencies in general, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. Hope you have a great day ahead, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.